Hey everybody, I have a haul to share with you. It is two separate orders from scrapbook.com. I placed an order a couple weeks back, and then once they got the new Distress Oxide colors in, I had to purchase those, and I am actually now on a spending freeze. I'm not allowed to spend any more money on crafty goodies, so no more hauls for quite a while. So I wanted to share with you guys some things that I got. So this is the order from a few weeks back, and let me start with the little scissors. So these are the Holtz scissors. I think they're called the Snippets, I believe. They are really tiny and they're really comfortable. I was actually really surprised how comfortable they are because they are tiny, but they do have a wide handle. And my daughter thought they were for her because they're so tiny, but they're not. They're for me. I really like them. And they do have, the one side is ridged, or like, you know, not serrated, but if you have Holtz scissors, you know what I'm talking about. And then the other side is flat. And then of course you need the cover so that you don't poke yourself. So I got those. And like I said, this order was from a few weeks back. So I have used some of the items and I threw away the packaging for some, so I apologize, but everything came, of course, nicely packaged and everything. I got the Holtz Found Relatives. I don't know why. I don't really do a lot of vintagey stuff, but they reminded me of some pictures that I have seen of my from my mom's dad's photo albums, and then also my dad's photo album, so like my grandfather's photos. So I don't know, I just thought they were really cool. I guess if I'm in a pinch and I need a photo, I can use one of them. But they're really nice. There's smaller ones, bigger ones, so really cool. And there's 45 in that pack. And I got this exclusive stamp set from scrapbook.com. I liked it because it says, when life gives you lemons, sometimes you gotta just throw them away and go get some ice cream. So I like that. So this one's called Wishing You Well. And this is the stamp set that Altenew, I guess, collaborated with scrapbook.com. So this is exclusively at scrapbook.com, and it is super gorgeous layering stamp. The flower is really pretty. So I got that. And then I got the Make Art Stay-tion, STAY/TION, and it has a magnetic ruler. These magnets here, very strong. Okay, they're really strong, and I like that they have this cover over them, because unlike the stamp platform, they don't really, you know, they're not gonna snap together really hard, and they have a foam on the other side. You can't really tell, but this is foam. And I held down a folded card with a lot of layers on it, well, a couple layers on it, and it worked really nice to just kind of keep it there. And you can heat emboss on here, all sorts of different things. It's metal, so you don't want to, you know, heat it too much, but it's really nice, and I really like it. It measures, just in case somebody asks, let's see, it is 12 by 12, so really nice. And I do recommend it if you are a card maker, or if you do like art journaling, if you're able to take the pages out, because you can use the magnets to hold down the page if you do some ink blending or something. It's really nice. So that is that haul. And of course, all of the supplies, the list will be down below in the description box. And let me get this out of the way. All right, so I purchased a couple things that I don't I ran out of. I absolutely love these round frames from Prima. What is that? Some candy rubbers for my kids. And I had to get 2 more, even though they're kind of expensive. But for the International Scrapbooking Day, I'm going to be doing a layout with the Georgia Blues collection, and I wanted more of these dark blue flowers, and so I got 2 of those. And then I've been seeing these stickers. Sorry about the packaging. I absolutely love the ones from Tim Holtz, the quotes and words and stuff. So I had to get these from Finnebear. And there's some that are like vintagey. Callie, what you doing? Callie's hanging out with me. If you don't know who Callie is, she's our new little kitten. So there's lots of words, and then you have quotes, which is nice. And I think they're all different. So, oh no, they are the same with the different colors. But really, really nice. I like these for art journaling, just to kind of put on a layout or a mixed media project. So these are nice. There's 12 sheets. Does it say how many stickers are on here? I don't think so, but there's a lot. So yeah, it doesn't say how many, but there's quite a few. All right, so I am going to show you the new Distress Oxide spray colors, and I got these, well, this is why I'm on a spending freeze, because my husband found out how much I've been spending on crafty goodies, and he said no more for a while. So I'm glad that I was able to purchase these before, because I, for some reason, feel like I have to have all of them, and normally I'm not that way. But for some reason with these, I absolutely love them. And same with the Distress Oxide inks. I think I have a few colors left to get. But let me show you guys the new colors. So this one is Abandoned Coral. Just zoom in a little bit. All right, so this one's Abandoned Coral, and I will be doing another video spraying these out for you guys so you guys can see them on the white and the black. This one is Mowed Lawn. See, like this color I don't see myself using, but for some reason I feel like I have to have it. Pumice Stone. Broken China. Victorian Velvet, which is super pretty. Shaded Lilac. Peacock Feathers, which is one of my favorites. Twisted Citron. Dried Marigold. Squeezed Lemonade. Antique Linen. And Spun Sugar. So those are the new colors. You can pick them up at scrapbook.com, and of course I will have the links listed down below. And I'm going to show you guys, I purchased a few things from Brutus Monroe, so I'm going to show you guys those really quickly. All right, so I have been eyeing a couple of these stamp sets for quite some time, and I finally got them because Jess over at A Card Day's Work, she was using this black embossing powder from Brutus Monroe, and I asked her if it was truly black, because I have a couple that are a little bit brown or just not as, you know, super black. And I really wanted one that was really black. And she said yes, so I got it. I haven't tried it out yet, but I trust her. And so I got that, and then of course I had to get some stamps. So I got the butterfly sentiments. I really like these. I love the little butterflies. And then it has a couple sentiments in there. And I don't know if I'll ever use this, but I just could not pass it up. They are so cute. They're birthday bear. That's like a little bunny, little bird, so cute. I love this one. And then the one with the cake. Oh my goodness, so cute. So had to get that. Then I got this one because it's super cool. So I thought some brush strokes would be nice on a card. And then you got some squiggly lines, some splatters. This one's called Abstract Art. So got that one as well. And I think that is it. Like I said, I won't be spending for quite some time. So, yeah, I do have enough in my stash, of course. I'm sure we all do, just to, you know, be content. But these companies, I swear, they need to stop making stuff because it's so hard not to buy it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, leave me a comment down below. I love reading them, and I really appreciate all of your support. Just really quickly, I do have channel memberships available. You will get one exclusive live stream, one exclusive video, access to a Facebook group, sneak peeks, all sorts of different things. It's $5 a month, and you will get a badge next to your name when you chat in the live streams. And once I get more people to join, I will be creating some custom emojis. So I want to try to build a community that we can have fun and get to know each other a little bit better. And yeah, so I hope that you give it a thought. You can check it out. The link will be in the description box down below. And as always, I do appreciate you guys so much. So if you could share this video on social media. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.